Alright guys, welcome to today's video review on the live trading room. So this morning for our analysis we were saying we wanted to, well this was actually a follow-on from yesterday, we wanted to actually come out of the sales yesterday from 72.50 if you got in at the lower end, because we viewed that it would be going a bit higher today. So we wanted to sell a move into 72.86 to 300 today, and we wanted to target 20 points and have our stop above 73.20. We'll come back to that in a second. We also said buying was good, but from 72.30 to 20, that was not triggered. Negative below 72.90, that's a key level on the short term, and then long term we're positive. 5-minute bar system, we're going to confirm. Spikes up to 72.90, we're good to go, and the closing gap, so yesterday's closing price down at 72.60, we expected to get hit. So let's have a look at the price action. So this is a 5-minute chart. The open price is here, so this is the open here. We opened around, we opened actually on the gap, so the closing gap basically filled at the open, and we didn't get a spike of 20 points up, so the spike trade wasn't valid. So then we were left with the 5-minute bar for the system trade, that is, and we only said that a breakdown was valid, not a break up. So none of the system trades were actually triggered today, so we were left really with the plan, which was to sell 72.86 to 7300. So what we did in the live room was we scaled in, so we put half a percent in at around 86, and then we put another 0.5%. Actually, it was a bit higher in 86, but we put another 0.5% at 7300 up here to total 7,300. Sorry, to total our 1% risk. Our stop was initially based at 73.22. So 2 points above 73.20. So what happened was we came up, we triggered straight away. We'd had a nice move actually from the open. We spiked into this key area, so it was worth taking for sure. As a key level, we did expect a quick reaction here, but actually it just plowed through. We had a little reaction back underneath down here, but really then it just it held the technical level, and then it's just been off for the rest of the day. So a bullish day, and a good indication of why we use stops in the market. It was a key level, we were expecting the reaction, but this one just sadly didn't work. One thing to note as well is initially our stop was 73.22, but after we saw this pullback back below 7300, testing the 72.90 area, we deemed that if it broke this high here, we just needed to come out of the trade. We didn't need the stop all the way up at 73.22. So actually we did save some cash in terms of we lowered our stop. So on this particular trade we lost just under 1%, not a full 1% on this one, because we ended up risk managing the trade and lowering the stop. My plan also in the room was, had we got down to our first entry at 72.86, I would have come out of that break even. Probably would have taken half profits on the trade at 7300 to pay for a stop, and made it all risk free, and then run the rest down to around 73.70 and lower really. But that would have been the plan ideally. So that was a trade review of today in the live room.